chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee naturally. Have a little secret, take action, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee on YouTube. So today I want to introduce you something wonderful. My first DeFi application outside of the Ethereum realm, because actually all the action is taking on Ethereum and you need to pay high gas fee, and some people complain, and that's the reason I want to give an option B or an option C to start to dig outside of the Ethereum network and go see what other decentralized solutions on the market like Tron has to offer on this market of the uptrend of DeFi. Now today I'm going to present you the first on this channel, the first DeFi application outside of Ethereum, and it's called Oikos DeFi that is on Tron. One of the important thing, you need to install Tron link. I just installed it this morning and it's pretty straightforward. You just need to back up the mnemonic of 12 words, and then just to make sure that you save it, and you need to write it down in the right order to confirm, and you need to put your name, and then you're ready to use any of the app that use Tron links. It's pretty straightforward process. Anyone can do it, but just remember you need to save in a safe place your 12 words to be able to restore your account on Tron or Tron link, I mean. So basically, let's go jump to the main section of this video, this spontaneous vlog. It's Oikos DeFi, my friend, decentralized finance, the first application that I present on this channel on the Tron ecosystem. So right now, decentralized finance on Tron. I want to make a parallel. This is the same thing of synthetic that is available on Ethereum. So that's the reason I already have some experience with synthetics, because I have some token on there that you claim each week. But now the ICAS fee, it's impossible just to claim because it's not worth it. You're going to pay $15 to claim for take 50 or 100. This depends on the amount you stake there. But I believe that on Tron you don't have this problem. I believe. I haven't tested because I don't have put any asset as we speak. I just present you. I just installed my Tron account this morning. So let's go jump to the main section. Decentralized finance on Tron. Oikos, it's an initiative to bring key DeFi applications on the Tron network, my friend. I need some coffee, yeah. And you need actions, my friend. Subscribe to Crypto and Coffee, the best crypto channel on YouTube, my friend. Take action right now. Okay, Oikos Network token is listed officially on oo.com, HBDC, and BKCC. I just know this one here. The other one, I don't know. But you can buy the token on the three exchange other. This is cool. Decentralized synthetic assets. This is important. I'm going to read it because synthetic asset is a representation. The representation, I mean, of gold or silver with a token. So Oikos is a Tron-based synthetic asset platform that provides on-chain exposure to fiat currencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. Synthetic assets, SYNT, are backed by Oikos Network tokens, OKS, locking into a smart contract as collateral. SYNT track the price of various assets, like I say, track various assets, allowing crypto native and on-banking user to trade P2C, peer-to-peer contract to Oikos exchange without liquidity limitation. This is cool for the on-banking. So I presume you need to buy the Oikos Network token on the market and be able to stake it on this ecosystem. Trustless token exchange. Trustless, I think the exchange I'm going to present after that. Oikos Swap is a Tron part of Uniswap, a trustless decentralized exchange that allows users to trade any Tron-based token without any deposit or withdrawal to a centralized order book. Better yet, Oikos Swap liquidity pool have a little to no slippage for vast majority of transactions. Anyone can contribute by adding or removing liquidity to gain commissions and the form of exchange fee as well as reward pay on EKS token. So Uniswap as well, I provided some for with the project of iPod 4. So you provide liquidity and then you get rewarded to have provided liquidity. I believe this is the same thing with the swap exchange here. So let's go continue. Sorry. Price data is obtained via multiple trusted sources and aggregated to create a robust price oracle mechanism. Developer tool make it easy to create application leverage Oikos services, so you can build probably your app over this Oikos ecosystem. So another great thing here, trade over 30 different synths from various categories. Join liquidity pools to collect on TRC20 per trade, TRC for any TRC20 without wiping. I'm not quite seeing this term, I never see it. Liquidity sensitive automated pricing using constant project formula. So they have the roadmap here, so I'm going just to focus on key 3. Official audit listing on the exchange, launch of additional synths. So this is interesting. What's going to happen for Q4? Launch of mobile ready user interface for the craft to Tron network. As you can see here, you have 4 guys. Blockchain engineer, Mad Senses, and marketing ninja. We hiring. So probably they build the team as we speak. So Manuel Corona, Albert Rodriguez, Kevin Holder, and Mike Chan who work for Oikos ecosystem. Okay, let's go jump to the developer sections. That is very interesting, that have a summary of all the DApp that's available on Oikos as we speak. So as you can see, I'm going to skip the introductions, developer resources. So the DApp that is very interesting, Oikos exchange that I'm going to present here, and the Minter that I'm going to present after here. So Oikos exchange allows users to trade synths. Synths is a representation of gold, something, or an asset like a USD on the ecosystem, and to buy SUSD with the Ether. The source code of Oikos exchange can be found on Oikos Cash Exchange. Minter is a DApp for OKS holders to participate in the Oikos network. Using Minter, user can mint and burn synth, monitor their collateralization levels, buy and sell SUSD through the depot, claim the staking reward, invest any OKS they have accrued from the token sale or by staking. So you can buy OKS and stake it on the ecosystem. Probably I'm going to make a small investment about this just to try it and to see it how it's work in the coming weeks. But right now I haven't put any money on Oikos. Just trick you need as well. I just created my Tron bank account. And another thing that is cool, I'm going to talk about it. They offer OTC that I'm going to cover as well, and the Oikos swap. So this is another important definitions to learn about Oikos. Oikos swap. Oikos swap is a decentralized exchange for exchanging TRX and TRC20 tokens. Oikos run its depend that Oikos ecosystem liquidity and to use it as an on-ramp, off-ramp for the synth market. User who provide liquidity to the pool are provided with staking reward as part of the Eco protocol. So look, let's go jump to the Oikos Minter. As you can see, Oikos is a DApp that is run over the Oikos network. Welcome to Oikos Minter. Minter is a DApp for OKS holder. If you never used Minter before, read through our quick introduction first. I'm going to get just this. What is Oikos? Oikos is a decentralized synthetic asset insurance protocol built on Tron, over the Tron. These synthetic assets are created by staking the Oikos network token EKS, and the synth can be exchanged for each other directly with the Oikos smart contracts on the Oikos exchange. Why stake OKS? OKS staker receive two kinds of reward. Firstly, they receive OKS staking reward, that is great, which are created through the inflationary monetary policy. Secondly, they are SYN exchange rewards, which are generated by SYN trades on Oikos exchange. What do Oikos staker need to do? All SYN need to be backed by stake OKS as collateralization ratio of 750%. OKS stakers need to manage their own ratio to be above this figure, which they can do by burning SYN to increase the ratio or minting SYN to reduce it. If they do this, they can collect weekly reward. This is cool. The same thing happened with on synthetic on Ethereum network, but right now it's impossible to use these features because the high gas fee. So let's go jump next to the last section. What are the risks? All OKS stakers create a debt when they stake. The debt begin as an amount of SUSD they initially mint and fluctuate according to gain or loss made by other SYN holders. Anytime anyone holds a SYN that appreciates in value, that gain is distributed proportionally between all the staking OKS holder debt. A staker must pay off this debt before they can unlock the staking OKS. So now let's go jump. I'm going to connect with my Tron link. It's time some time. In the meantime, I need some coffee. And please take action. Subscribe to Crypto Coffee on YouTube. Take action right now. Okay, this is the main interface of Oikos Minter. As you can see, the interface is pretty straightforward. Mine, burn, and they have you can claim, trade, transfer. Let's go say you want to mine yesterday by staking OKS, but you need to have some on your wallet on your Tron link. Sorry. So I haven't tested, but I'm making a parallel with synthetic. Basically, you buy the token, you stake it, and each week you're going to collect a reward. And this is cool. It's very straightforward. It's not complicated to use it. So probably even if you just install Tron, you buy the OKS token, you staking, you make your collateralization ratio above 700. So you can buy a synthetic asset like gold, silver. That's the main benefit. And then to make this, to take this risk, you collect reward in the form of you mint your token and you can burn to adjust to your collateralization ratio. If you click claim, so each week you're going to have a certain portion of amount depending on how much OKS you stake there, and then you can claim now. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. You can trade any SYN, so you can swap synthetic asset between with each other. Trade your SYN for SUSD for the full DHA, which allow you to trade between any SYN on or use or Oikos exchange. I'm going to cover that as well after that. So I'm going to make cancel transfer. So you can transfer your OKS here. So this is very straightforward transaction. You can see your transaction here. Escrow her, vest your OKS staking reward and escrow. If you are staking your OKS and minting SUSD, you are eligible to receive OKS staking reward, which you can vest here after they have escrow for 12 months. So your OKS will be locked for 12 months. LB reward. So I think that you need to provide liquidity and you get reward. I'm not quite sure about this, but this is a simple interface. The same thing as synthetic on Ethereum network. Let's go jump to Oikos exchange. As you can see, I am connected with my wallet. It's pretty seamless, nothing fancy. Similar interface, black, nothing you can swap your SYN asset one with each another. As you can see, you can swap your SUSD for, I don't know, They have precious metal here. I'm not quite sure. Not sure. For example, for a representation of Bitcoin, so you can swap this and this and you confirm trade. Nothing. Very straightforward, to the point, to swap synthetic asset with one with another one. So the market, I'm going to see the market, all the market to the pair that is available on this. So you have the S-Link pair, the Ethereum representation. I'm not quite sure what is Link. Ethereum pair, Tron pair, that's for sure, because this is Tron network system. You need to put the Tron, the BTC as well. So Bitcoin, everyone in the crypto spheres need to put Bitcoin as the main currency, the digital gold. Enemy time, I need some coffee. And take action right now and subscribe to my channel, Crypto and Coffee on YouTube, my friend. So you have the S-Tron synthetic representation of S-Tron as well. Another Ethereum here, and BTC, SUSD, Euro, Australian dollars, British pound, CHF, I'm not quite sure, I don't remember what is it. But as you can see, it's very straightforward, and they're going to add more synthetic asset on Q3, Q2 on the roadmap. So here you can see the transaction. I haven't trading anything yet on this, and then you see your wallet. So nothing fancy. Get to the point. You basically, what you need to remember about Oikos Exchange is to be able to swap your synthetic asset and speculate and make a profit with it. Pretty cool. And now let's go jump to the Oikos swap. Oikos swap, so you can provide liquidity in the form of pool, and then you collect reward when people swap one asset to another. It's like Uniswap. Go see Uniswap. It's pretty cool to use Uniswap as well. Oikos Swap is a representation of Uniswap. But Uniswap, they have 100 or 1,000 trading pair. I'm not sure for this. This one is very limited with a few assets. It's nothing in comparison with the power of Uniswap as we speak. So let's go back to the main section of Oikos here. They have another two sections on a OTC. So over the counter. So basically, if you intend to buy a big amount of crypto without to use decentralized exchange, you can go there, and then you make a propositions. Probably you want to buy, I don't know, 250 Bitcoin. You go there, you make a proposition, and probably the team of Oikos going to make it behind the counter, and he's going to send you 250 Bitcoin for a represent of X amount of dollars. Naturally, nothing is free in this world. He swaps something for value for another thing of value. As you can see, it's good to explore, to open your mind that other blockchain ecosystem. Right now, they compete to bring DeFi onto the ecosystem, and this is cool because if you want to compete, or if you want to remain relevant, you need as well to have some the app that is say decentralized finance to offer to your ecosystem or to your user. So the Ethereum right now is the king. They have so many DeFi to cover. I'm going to do dig in the coming weeks, coming months on this challenge because I want to be. I am specialized to find staking opportunity to grow your stack. That's the main interest. This is interest me personally on the crypto spheres. I need some coffee as well. And please don't forget to subscribe. So basically, Oikos is a DeFi outside of the Ethereum realm that I say in the introduction. And I think you need to have an open mind, because when you have an open source, anyone can fork it and make it better or adjust a few parameters. And this is part to be a free world, and you have a place for everyone on this planet. So if people prefer to go DeFi on Tron, if the other people prefer to go some DeFi on, I don't know, Ethereum or EOS, you have the choice. So Oikos is a great solution if you already have some asset on the Tron ecosystem. I think it's worth it to dig into Oikos. And even for the peoples like me, probably I will test with a small amount of money, just to test the water, just to check for the fees and collect some token each week. That's appeal to me, because right now with synthetics it's impossible to do anything to collect to mint, to collect each fee, because you pay like 10 or 15 or I don't know, $20 on fees, depends the price variation. But I believe that Oikos don't have this problem on the Tron ecosystem. So in the meantime, if you have any question for whatever the reason, just put the comment section on the comment section of this vlog. I'm going to answer probably in 25 or 48 hours max. And as well, take small action. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to monetize this channel. This is something important for me. If you follow my content, you will help me to grow and be able to reach that small medium term on this channel to monetize it. And as well, come visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com. And as well, I have a newsletter I'm going to put on the comment of this video. You can subscribe to follow me and my content on each week on email, by email. So in the meantime, see you on the next vlog, and have a great week and have a great day ahead, my friend. See you on the next great video from Satoshi, for the love of crypto and coffee. Ciao, ciao.